Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we have that nice tow hitch, got that backup camera, and moving to the front, we do have like these trailer tow mirrors, and as well as a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space with some orange accents. We have orange stitching on the seats. We got a 12-volt and a little hook, and of course if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space, as well as you do have under storage below your seats, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You have your trailer disconnect and your lights just on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 147 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone, voice and media, volume and mute, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have your settings, phone, audio, my view, trip, and so on and so forth. And looking over here, you have your gear shift, parking brake, cup holders, little storage, tons of storage right here. That's also orange accented, and you can take it out if you need be. You have a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. You got your drive modes, which do include normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, and sport. And you have your traction control, auto stop, auto start, and auto hold. Storage right there. Leather app center console with tons of storage underneath. You got climate controls, orange accent fans, volume, tune, hazards. All your media controls, you got storage right there as well. And looking at your main screen here, you do have a little storage cubby right there. You have your audio and what device is connected. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, any apps you may have downloaded, and your settings, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay compatible. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB29576, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.